Okay, so this is Claude AI, and then this is their desktop app version of Claude AI, and they do have a new feature called Cowork, and this is a picture that I just created with the help of Claude Cowork. Now, obviously, Claude doesn't have an in-house AI model for image generation, and as far as I know, they don't have any plan to build their own AI image model, but it is quite possible to essentially hook up a Claude AI with a local AI image model, which in this case, I was using Stable Diffusion on my computer, so I can essentially just send the prompt to Claude, and then AI, in this case Claude Cowork, is able to use this tool behind the scene to generate these good looking images in just a few seconds. So this is actually a really cool way to add a new capability to this AI model or this AI tool. So let me show you the easiest way you can add a local AI image generation to Claude AI. So first, obviously, you have to navigate to Claude AI, and then you can log into your account, and you have to download the desktop version of Claude. So just navigate to this download button, and then you can download Claude Cowork. It is actually the same app as the desktop Claude Code. Just download the program and then install it normally, and you can log in with your account. And after that, you must install the Chrome version, the Chrome extension version of Claude AI. So you can find that link of the extension right here in this download page. Just click install, and then you can install this tool, this extension, to your browser. And of course, you have to log in with your own Claude AI account, and make sure that you log in with the same Claude AI account. So after that, after you have downloaded Claude AI, and then you have logged in to the desktop version and also the extended version of Claude AI, now we are ready to download this tool. So this is a tool that lets you run some AI models like Stable Diffusion, Flux, Qwen, and many others locally on your computer. And then later we are going to connect this to Claude AI. But one tool or one package manager that I do recommend to install this tool easily is Stability Matrix. So you can open Google and search for Stability Matrix, and you can open this GitHub link, and then you can download Stability Matrix to your computer. It is available for Windows, Linux, and of course Mac OS. And I actually have mentioned this tool several times because it allows you to download plenty of amazing and popular AI apps like Comfy UI, Stable Diffusion WebUI, which in this case is going to be the one that we are going to use in this video, and many other AI apps or platforms. So this will just make the process of installation to be a lot simpler. Anyway, after you have downloaded Stability Matrix on your computer, you can launch the program. And let me show you the process to start using it. Just launch the setup file, and then you will see something that look like this. So I do recommend to enable the portable mode because that will make sure that everything, all the files and dependencies will be installed on the same folder. I think that's actually going to make the file organization to be a lot simpler. Now, after that, click continue. And then this is optional. I'm not going to share it. And then you can skip this first time setup. And right now, you probably don't have any package, so you can click this button. And then you can click Stable Diffusion WebUI Reforged. That's the version that I'm going to use. And by the way, it can also work even without a dedicated GPU. So just open it, and then you can click the install button, and then just wait until it finishes installing this whole package into your computer. So this is becoming very easy when you're using Stability Matrix. Now, basically, after it is done, you still cannot use the tool yet. You still need to download an AI image model that is later can be used by Claude Cowork. So to download the model, you can open a menu called Model Browser. And then make sure that for the model type, you select checkpoint. And then you can download a model that you want to use later. There are many models, and they do have different variations depending on the kind of artistic or styles that you want to generate. Now, I actually have downloaded a model called Epic Realism. So that's the model that I have downloaded and used many times on Stable Diffusion. So this is the model that I use. So if you want to use the same model, then you can open it and then you can click this download button. And by the way, if you want to use a different AI model, just make sure that it is indeed an AI model, and then make sure that it is safe tensor format. That's a format that can be recognized by Stable Diffusion WebUI. So after you have downloaded the tool, then the model and also the tool, then I guess we can start using it. So I'm going to close this first. You don't have to do that, by the way, because I just want to open the version of mine that has the tool and the model installed. I have Stable Diffusion WebUI installed, and also I have the model. So right here in the packages menu, you can see that there is a Stable Diffusion WebUI Reforged. And before we launch it, click this settings and then scroll down. And then you want to add this -API in the extra launch argument. So this will expose its API to be later be used by Claude Cowork. Now click save, and then you can click launch and just wait for the tool to initialize. And after that, it should launch the web version, the web UI of Stable Diffusion on your browser, and you can start generating images. And I do recommend to just play around with it and see what settings that I think will be the best depending on your use case. So this is Stable Diffusion WebUI, and I'm going to use Epic Realism. That's a model that I think is quite decent. And then you can enter your prompt. Like, let's say I want to generate a picture, let's say a cat and dog. And you can, play around with the resolution. Like, let's say I want to set it to be 1024 pixels and the sampling steps to be 22. Now, depending on what model that you're using, the settings could be very different, and some models are not exactly intuitive. Like, just because you can increase the sampling steps doesn't mean it will improve the quality of the picture. It could actually do the opposite. So always double check, make sure that you are choosing the correct setting for the model. And in this case, I just trying to be more conservative at changing the settings. So this is going to be my settings, and I'm going to, let's say, generate a picture. So the reason why we want to generate a picture is we want to know the best settings, because later, after the picture has been generated, you can see at the bottom of this picture that there's going to be a set of settings right here that later you can tell Claude Cowork or Claude AI to use when you ask it to generate a picture. So this is why it's very important to just play around with the model first before start using it via Claude AI. So I think we're done with the process of installing Stable Diffusion WebUI. Now we can open Claude AI, the desktop version of Claude AI. And I'm going to just start a new chat. And of course, make sure that you are navigating to the Cowork menu. That is very important. And then you can choose any project. Like in this case, I just want to use my downloads folder. Allow. And well, after that, you can send a message. So this is one format that I do recommend. Let me just go back here. And don't worry, I'm going to provide the format in the description down below. Let me just copy it. And let me just go back to the Claude Cowork. So right here, I want you to generate a picture using Stable Diffusion WebUI app. This is the URL. So it should be the same if you are using the same AI app. It's going to be this URL. And for the prompt, well, this is where you can enter the description or the image that you want AI to generate. So for me, I'll just use this prompt. Let me just copy it. It's kind of long. All right, so the settings right here, you can copy the settings that you just acquired when you are testing out this AI model. So I'll just copy this. Next, let's go back to Claude Cowork and then paste the settings. And one thing that you can change or remove is the seed number. So there is a seed number right here. It should be, there you go. I'm going to remove this because I want to make sure that every single time it's going to be random. Usually it's the best idea to just keep the seed number to be random on every single generation. So this is the prompt that I'm going to use. And for the model, you can use Claude Sonnet 4.6. And I do recommend to not use Haiku because during my testing, it is not very consistent. So just use the Sonnet version. Click this and just wait for AI to, it will actually start utilizing the browser extension version of Claude AI, and it's actually not going to interact with the page. Like, it is not going to click, or it's not going to scroll down or scroll up. It's not going to do that. What it does, it just wants to know the back end basically of this website. So that's why it still need to use the Chrome extension to access this website or this page. But after that, it's going to send the prompt, the query, the settings, etc. into Stable Diffusion WebUI, and then just wait until finish. So if you actually open stability metrics, the console of stability metrics, you can see that we got the progress here. It's running, so it's now generating the image. And well, just wait until finish. And yeah, I think it's going to download the picture anytime soon. Yeah, it uses some code, so it's not exactly interacting with the page, which I think is a great idea, because sometimes it can be a bit less consistent. So by using a script, it's going to be much more reliable. And there you go. So I got the picture right here. And yeah, it's not something that I want. It's not a great picture, but at least it is able to generate the picture. Now let me try something else. I'm going to just copy this. So I can also go back to Claude Cowork, and then I can send a different message or a different prompt, and send the message again. Okay, so this is an error message. Let me try it again. So there is a problem with Claude recently. It's just the server is kind of busy, so it's not always consistent, but I'm hoping that there is just a temporary problem. So as you can see, it is able to start generating the image again. It is start taking over the control of this page, and it will start creating the pictures. All right, so this is, I would say, way better. Yeah, this is a much higher quality picture. So it was created, of course, by Stable Diffusion, but everything was controlled by Claude AI, and that is definitely an awesome feature or capability to have in this platform, given that Anthropic as the company has no intention to build their own AI image models. So yeah, it's really cool. And another thing that's also really cool is this video up here. So click on that, and I'll see you in that video.